talk about here at Unadilla. The rider we're going to be talking about first is the one that gets the whole shot. Let's go racing. Marchbanks look good on the inside. I think he's going to get edged out. It's Justin Cooper and Adam Cianciarulo 1-2.
Well, that's what Cianciarulo would have wanted, being up by the front. Justin Cooper, great start for him. He looked good in practice, but the question's going to be, where is Ferrandis?
Oh, Cooper throws it away in those rollers. Let's see if Sexton can keep these two in sight. In the first moto, they were able to get away from everyone.
Well, there's also no massive urgency for Cianciarulo. As long as he's got Ferrandis in sight, even for the next 20 minutes, that's okay. You know, you can always strike at the end, but sometimes guys like Ferrandis will be riding at about 98% right now.
And the Frenchman has shown this year, both in Supercross and now in Motocross, that if he's in must-win pressure-type situations, he's able to respond. And it appears that he's going to do that today in Unadilla. And the man who has it is Dylan Ferrandis. He wins the overall at Unadilla. So this is it, 30 minutes plus 2 laps on a 50th anniversary of one of the most iconic racetracks in all of motocross. Ken Roczen on the red number 94, the Honda man, won our first race today. Let's see if he can get it done in Moto 2. But Osborne's first year in this Premier 450 class, he's trying to show everybody that he is capable of running with anyone. So Musquin is free to try to make a charge after Roczen, but the gap is 10 seconds. So it's going to be a tall order, especially the way Roczen is riding today. Roczen, the German rider who jumped on the world stage in a huge way, won a Grand Prix race in Europe at age 15. But it's good to see every once in a while still a vintage Ken Roczen performance. The 50th anniversary of racing in Unadilla, and the victory goes to Ken Roczen with a 1-1 sweep.